Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.2, Problem 7. This is Section 1.2, Problem 7. It says write the given value as a number. 475,277,000. So 475 million. So 400, I'll write a 4. 75, so 75. And then I have 277. Now if I put 277 here, I've made a mistake. Because if I write this as 475 million, and now I write the 277, it would be 277,000, which is not what the number is written out. So this is wrong. So the 475 was correct for the million. But this doesn't mention thousand, so what you want to do is fill in 3 zeros where you'd have thousand. You don't have any thousand. And then 277. So now if you move in 3 digits from the right, you can put a comma. 3 more digits, you can put a comma. And that's how you would write this value as a number, 475,277,000.